ingredients that you will need: 2 cod fillets, and I'm going to slice that in half. Half a juice of lemon, 1 tablespoon of red chili paste, or you can add less if you don't want it as spicy, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of tandoori masala powder, and the spices here are 1 teaspoon of kashmiri chilli, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste, 1.5 teaspoons of cumin powder, and 1.5 teaspoons of coriander powder, and 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Okay, so we're just going to take our fillets and we're just going to slice that in half. If you want to make them into small pieces, then of course you can just slice it a little bit more. But I'm just going to cut it in half here, like this. And if you wanted to, you can also just slice it in half here as well. So it's up to you, but I'm just going to leave it like this. Just take our fillet and again, just slice that. Okay, so now we're just going to take all these ingredients, mix that all in this bowl here. So we're just going to squeeze our lemon, and if you want to add a bit more, then if you want it a bit more tangy, then you can of course use a whole lemon. So we're just going to squeeze all the juice out, and then we're going to take it and pour it in our bowl. Then the tandoori masala goes in, and all the spices. The red chili paste and the garlic paste. And then we're just going to mix it all in, and some oil, and then just give that a mix. And then we're just going to take our pieces and we're just going to rub this masala all over it. Like this, and at the bottom as well. And we're going to carry on doing that with the rest. And then I'm going to leave that to marinate for about half an hour or 20 minutes to 30 minutes. And then I'm going to pan fry that with some oil, and I'll show you how that's going to be done. Okay guys, so now that's ready. I'm going to leave that to marinate for about 20 to 30 minutes, and then we're going to pan fry it. Okay guys, so now we're ready to pan fry them. Now this is looking good. The fish is marinated, has marinated nicely. So we're just going to take some oil, and most of you can do this at home with a pan, in a pan. So we're just going to pour some oil, heat that up for a little bit. So 2 of the pieces we're going to pan fry. Now the other 2 I'm going to use my Ninja Foodi. Now for those of you guys who don't know what it is, if you look back at my previous videos, you'll know what, if you're looking to buy one, there's some information on there. It's basically all-in-one, you know, pressure cooker, steamer, slow cook. It does air crisping as well, which is air frying. It's a great household gadget, so check that out. And in that, all you need to do is just wrap the fish in some foil, and you just press the steam button for 10 minutes, and then the air crisp button for 5 minutes, and then it's done. You can serve that with some salad and some chips. So let's carry on with this and pop these fillets in the pan. Oil's ready, and I'm just going to put the fillets in like this. It looks really nice. The color's really nice as well. We're going to cover this as well. We're going to cook this for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. It's going to cook so quickly. The fillets are quite nice, and they're not so thick as well, so it will cook very quickly. And we're just going to pop the lid on. I'm going to cook this on medium heat. Make sure you keep an eye on it, that it doesn't stick at the bottom. And then I'm going to slowly turn that once the 4 minutes is up. Okay, so let's just take a quick look. So it's been about 4 minutes. and that's nicely cooking. So we're just going to turn that over. So make sure you turn it over gently so you don't break the pieces. And then we're just going to turn this one over. And we're just going to let that cook for about 4 minutes on this side until it's all nice and nicely cooked through.